say 13.7. We were doing question number 3 now. So question number 3 is the height of the cone is 15 centimeter. Height of the cone is 15 centimeter and its volume is given 1570. Find the radius of the base. And y is equal to 3.14 given. You need to find out the radius of the cone. Why? The volume of cone is given. So volume of cone is 1540 centimeter cube. 15, that is 1570, not 40. 1570 is given. So you need to find the radius. It's very easy. So as you know that the volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square is equal to 1570, right? So 1 by 3 into value of pi is given 3.14 and we need to find r square and height is 15 is equal to 1570, right? So 3 ones are 3 fives are, so this is equal to 3.14 into 5 into r square is equal to 1570. Now multiply this. 5 fours are 20, 5 ones are 5 up to 7, and 5 threes are 15. That will be equal to 15.70 r square into 1570. So r square will be equal to 1570 divided by 15.70. So remove the decimal sign. 1570 into, after decimal places there are two digits, so multiply by 100 and this will 1570. So this will be cancelled. So r is equal to under root 100, so that will be equal to 10 centimeter. So radius of the cone is 10 centimeter. Is it clear? Is it clear to everyone? Yes, Krishika, Raghav.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please note down.
Yes, sir, clear.
Now, the next question is the volume of the right circular cone of height 9 centimeter. It is given that question number 4, the volume of the right circular cone is, question number 4, question number 4, the height of the cone is 9 centimeter given and you need to find diameter of the base. Diameter of base you need to find, right? And volume is given. Volume of cone is 48.5 centimeter cube. So volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to 48.5. It is given, right? So 1 by 3 into 5 into r. R we need to find radius r square and h is equal to 9 is equal to 48.5. So both sides 5 will be cancelled and this is 3 3s are 9. So 3r square is equal to 48. So r square is equal to 48 by 3. So 3 ones are 3 6 are. So r will be equal to under root 16, that is 4 centimeter. So therefore diameter of the base will be equal to 2r. So 2 into 4 centimeter. That will be equal to 8 centimeter. So diameter of the base is 8 centimeter. Right? And tell me how many of you have participated in Aryabhatta Ganit Challenge? कौन कौन ने किस किस ने रजिस्टर किया अपने आप को?
सर रजिस्टर तो कर दिया था.
यस राघव.
मैंने भी कर.
भूमि?
यस सर हो गया.
ओके. देन अरहम, गार्विक, गौरव जैन.
सर नहीं किया.
लब्धि, मनन, मानवी, मीति. मैंने बोला था ना आप लोग को सबको रजिस्टर करना है. एंड यस्टरडे वाज द लास्ट डेट.
सर मेरा रजिस्टर हुआ है.
सर नहीं हो पाया.
क्यों नहीं हो पाया? आपको ऑनलाइन करना था.
सर सोहेल मालू का हुआ क्या?
That you know better, na? You have registered yourself. How do I know that whether you are registered or not? You have to see your email ID and password. Registered or not? Now, next question. Next question is, a conical pit of the diameter 3.5 meter. Question number 5. A conical pit of the top diameter 3.5. So diameter is equal to 3.5 meter. So therefore radius will be equal to 3.552 meter. Right. And depth of the pit is height. Depth of the pit is given 12 meter. Okay. So you need to find the capacity of the conical pit. So therefore capacity of conical pit, that is volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square. So 1 by 3, value of pi is 22 by 7, r is 3.5 by 2 into 3.5 by 2, and h is 12 meter. H is 12 meter. Then solve this. 7 5s are 35 and 3 4s are 12. 2 1s are 2 2s are, these 2 and 2 cancel. So this is 22 into 5. 22 into 5 is 11. 22 into 0.5 is 11. Okay, into 3.5. So 35 1s are 35. 35 under 35 and 3, 38. That is 38.5 meter cube, and that will be equal to 38.5 into 1 kl. Why? Since 1 meter cube is equal to 1 kiloliter, right? So this will be equal to 38.5 kiloliter. So capacity of the conical pit will be equal to 38.5 kiloliter. Clear? Please note down. Now, the next question is question number 6. Question number 6 is question number 6 is question number the volume of the right circular cone is 9856 and the diameter of the base is 20 So diameter of the base is 28 meter centimeter 28 centimeter. So therefore radius will be equal to 28 by 2 that is 14 centimeter. Right? That is 14 centimeter. And now you need to find the height of the cone. You need to find height of the cone and slant height of the cone and curved surface area of the cone CSA. That is, you need to find these three things. So what is unknown here? We know the value of R. We know the value of R, but we don't know the value of H and R. If you don't know the value of L, then how will you find out curved surface area? Means for finding out the curved surface area, you must know the slant height and radius. So radius is already given, but slant height is not given. So for slant height, we need to find height, right? Unless and until we know the height, we cannot find out L. Why? Because there is a relation between H, R and L is L square is equal to H square plus R square. Okay. So out of three quantities, we must know the two quantities. Then only you can find out the third quantity. But here we know only one quantity. What? R is known, but H and L are unknown. So either we have to find out L or H. So it is easy to find out H because volume is given. Volume is what? Volume is given 9856. Volume of cone is 9856. Volume of cone is equal to 1 by that is 9856 centimeter cube, right? But volume of cone is pi r square h, so 9856. So 1 by 3 into pi is 22 by 7. R is 14 into 14 and H is unknown, then 9856. Okay. So you cancel हो रहा है 7 to the 14 और कुछ भी cancel नहीं हो रहा है. So H is equal to 9856 divided by 9856 into 3. This 3 upon 3 will be transposed as multiplication here. And here what will be the denominator? 22 into 2 into 14. 22 into 2 into 14. Okay. Now cancel it. 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. Right? Then again by 2, 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 2 4s are. Okay? And again by 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 2s are. Then by 11 you can cancel it. 11 1s are 11, 11 1s are 11 1s are and 11 2s are. 11 ones are 11 ones are and 11 twos are, and I think this will be cancelled by 7. 7 ones are 7, right? 7 six are 14. So here h is equal to 16 centimeter. Okay, h is equal to 16 centimeter. So after finding out h, what we can find out? We can find out L, because we need L for curved surface area. So what is the relation in L, R and H? As you know that L square is equal to H square plus R square. So L square is equal to H is 16 square and R is what? R is 14 square. 14 square. Okay. Now I am solving on the left hand side. Here. So L square will be equal to 16 square is 256 and 14 square is 196. Right? So L square will be equal to 6 6 12, 9 and 1 12, 9 1 10, 10 and 5 15. Right? And 2 and 3 452. L square is this. Okay? Then L will be equal to under root 452. Okay? And check whether we are correct or not, and find out there is no perfect square of 452. See, so I think we have made some mistake here. That is 9856 centimeter cube. 9856 centimeter cube and diameter is 14. Just a minute. I think there is some mistakes in this. 1 by 3 pi, pi is 22 by 7 into r square is 14 into 14 into h is equal to 9856. So this becomes 7 2s are 14. है ना? तो h कितना हो जाएगा? h is equal to 9856 into 3 into 22 into 2 into 14. 22 into 2 into 14. So 11 2s are 11. इसको एक काम करते हैं. 2 1s are 2 4s are 8. 2 9s are 18. 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are 6. 4 9 2 8 आया था हमारा. And by now cancel it by 2 से कैंसिल हो गया. 22 कैंसिल नहीं हुआ है, राइट? सो ये हो जाएगा 7 2s are 14, 7 7s are 49, 7 4s are 28, 11 2s are 22, 11 6s are 11 4s are. So that will be equal to 2 32s are and 2 16s are. तो 16 से जब 48 आएगा h. हम लोग कहीं पर गलत किए हैं. Yes, 48 आएगा. Why? Because we have left 3 ना. 3 into 16. ये 2 बचा हुआ है and we have written only 16. This is our mistake. So that will be 16 is 48. This will be equal to 48 centimeter. Right? हम लोग ये 3 को छोड़ दिए थे. This will be multiplied by 3. So now it will be also changed. H is 48 square to 48 square. Now, so this will be totally changed. So here, what will happen? That will be equal to L square is equal to 48 square is what? It is 64, है ना? और That will be 2304. 48 square is 2304 and this is 196. So this becomes L square is equal to 2500. 6, 4, 10, 9, 1, 10, 2, 1, 2, 1, 4, 5. So L will be equal to 2500 square root, that will be equal to 50 centimeter. Right? This will be 50 centimeter. This will be 50 centimeter. So L is equal to 50 centimeter. L is equal to 50 centimeter. Okay. So हमको L मिल गया, H मिल गया. We need to find curved surface area of cone. So curved surface area of cone will be equal to pi RL. Pi RL. So pi is 22 by 7 and radius is how much? Radius is 14 and L is 50. Now solve this. 7 2s are 14. So that is 22 into 50 into 2 is 100. That is 2200 centimeter square. This is your final answer. Is that clear? Yes, it is. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So whenever you are cancelling,
Yes, sir.
whenever you are cancelling the numbers,
Yes, sir.
you should be very careful. Otherwise, the mistakes I have done here, I have left 3. That is why that your answer will be changed. So 16 into 3 is 48 centimeters.
Isn't it delicious?
Done? Shall I wrap this? Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Kalp, what are you doing? Kalp, you are showing the picture of whole Raipur. Now, next question. Question number 7. Question number 7 is a right triangle ABC. A right triangle ABC. A right triangle ABC. ABC. A right triangle ABC of 5 centimeter is maintained silence with side 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter, and 30 centimeter. Right? 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter, and 13 centimeter. Right angle triangle. Right? And it is revolved about the side 12 centimeter. Sorry, this is 12 centimeter, and this is 5 centimeter. Why I am telling you. Okay. And what we have done here? It is given that this right angle triangle is revolved about the side 12 centimeter. इस right angle triangle को 12 सेंटीमीटर के about रोटेट करना है. तो 12 सेंटीमीटर की चारों तरफ this will be constant, जब इसको चारों तरफ रोटेट करेंगे तो this will be look like this. This will be look like this. Okay, and this will be forming a cone. ये 12 सेंटीमीटर की चारों तरफ जब राउंड लगाएंगे हम इसका, so this will the shape like cone, right? So now what is the radius of the cone? 5 centimeter. What is the height of the cone? 12 centimeter. What is the slant height of the cone? Is 30 centimeter. You need to find the volume of the solid so obtained. So volume of the solid is cone. So volume of solid is equal to, that is volume of cone. Volume of cone. So volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square. So 1 by 3 pi 22 by 7, and r is 5 into 5, and h is 12 centimeter. So this will be equal to 3 4s are 12, or it is better to don't put the value of 5. So this will be equal to 5 5s are 25, 25 into 4, that is 105 centimeter. This is the volume of the solid so formed. Is it clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
105 centimeter cube. Now, the next question is,
Question number 8.
yes, question number 8 is also same. If the triangle ABC in the question number 7, इसी क्वेश्चन में जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 में हमने जो सॉल्व किए हैं उसमें is revolved about the 5 side 5 centimeter. अब इसको 5 सेंटीमीटर के से रोटेट करना है. In question number 8, so the figure will be seen, right? अब आपका जो ये साइड आ रहा है, this side is 5 centimeter, and this is 12 centimeter, and this is 30 centimeter. And अब इसको 5 के राउंड में घुमा रहे हैं. When you rotate along 5 centimeter, this will also form a cone ABC, right? So again you need to find, so either height is now 5, radius is 12, and slant height is 30. So what we need to find? We need to find the volume of the solid so formed. So volume of the solid will be equal to, again, 1 by 3 pi r square. So 1 by 3 pi, r is 12 into 12, and h is 5. So 3 4s are 12. So that will be 240 centimeter cube, right? And one more thing is given. You have to find out the ratio of the volumes of, in question number 7 and question number 8. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 और क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 में जो आपका वॉल्यूम आया उसका रेशियो निकालना है. तो सपोज दिस इज योर वॉल्यूम 2, दिस इज V2, राइट? दिस इज V2, सपोज दिस इज वॉल्यूम 2, And suppose this is volume 1. Volume 1. So what we need to find? We need to find V1 upon V2. So V1 was 105 and V2 is 245. So 5 cancel, 0 cancel, 2 5s are and 2 12s are. That is 5 12. So therefore, ratio of V1 and V2 will be equal to 5:12. Right? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, सर
Yes.
सर आपने क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 में V2 इक्वल्स टू 2.240 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब लिख दिया है। 240 पाई होगा।
40? Yes, 245. 245. Yes. Now, the next one is question number 9. A heap of wheat is in the form of cone. A heap of wheat is in the form of cone of diameter 10.5 centimeter. So question number 9. A heap of wheat in the form of cone. Right? ये आपका हीप ऑफ व्हीट है। यहाँ पर ऐसे व्हीट को आपको ये व्हीट है, right? It is in the form of cone and is having the diameter 10.5 centimeter. So diameter means radius will be equal to 10.5 by 2, okay, meter. And again, the height is 3 meter. So find its volume. It is very simple. Volume of heap of weight, that is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3 into pi is 22 by 7 into r is 10.5 by 2 into 10.5 by 2 into h is 3 meter. So 3 cancel and this is 7 1s are 7 5s are and 2 into 11. So that will be equal to 15 ones are 15, 15 ones are 15, 1 are 16, 16.5 into 10.5 by 2. So you will divide it, you will get the answer in meter cube. Right? I hope you can do. And one more thing is asking here, the heap is to be covered with the canvas to protect it from rain. अभी जो आपका जो wheat का जो ये कोन बना हुआ है, इसको रेन से प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए, पानी से बचाने के लिए, बारिश से बचाने के लिए, you need one cover. Okay, to find the area of the canvas required. इसको जिस कैनवास से हम कवर करेंगे, उसका एरिया निकालना है. So means what you need to find? You need to find the curved surface area, and for curved surface area you need L to find out L square. So L square is equal to H square plus R square. So H is how much? 3 square and R is 10.5 by 2. 10.5 by 2 whole square. So this is 3 these are 9 plus 10.5 by 2. Then you get 11025. That is 110.25 by 4. ठीक है ना? 110.25 and LCM will be equal to 4 here. So 4 nines are 36 plus 110.25. That will be equal to how much? That is 146. 146.25 by 4. Right? We'll find out what? We'll find out on the value of L here. So L square is equal to 146.25 by 4. Okay. So L will be equal to under root 146.25 by 4. This will be equal to how much? This is this will be equal to square root of 146.25 divided by square root of 4 is 2. Right? Now you find out square root of 146.25. Square root of, you have already done how to find out the square root of any decimal number in class 8. So you can easily find out by log division. Okay. So it will be 146.25. 146.25. 146.25. That will be equal to 12.09. That is 12.09 divided by 2. 12.09 divided by 2, that will be equal to 6.045. So you can write approximately 6.05. Okay. So this will be approximately 6.05 L. So then you have to find out volume, area of canvas. Area of canvas will be equal to pi RL. है ना? जब आपको इस कोन को कवर करने के लिए एक कैनवास की जरूरत पड़ेगी to protect from rain, so you need to find the cut surface area of the cone. So pi is 22 by 7 and R is how much? R is 10.5 by 2. 10.5 by 2 and L is 6.05. So solve this. So 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are, and 2 into 11, 15 ones are 15, 15 ones are 15 ones 16.6.05. So you will multiply this, will get in meter square. है ना? इसको multiply कर लेना. That will be from 99.825. 99.825 meter cube. This is approximate answer. It means approximately 100 meters square. Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, next class break.
Yeah. and this will be approximately 86.625. 86.625. This is approximately 86.825. 86.625, sorry, not 825, 625. 86.625. Right? Please note down. सबको क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
And one more thing, this complete mensuration chapter is very easy, but you need to memorize all the formula, then only it is easy. Otherwise you cannot solve a single problem of this exercise. This exercise is totally based on formula, right? So मैंने आपको एक टेबल में पूरा फॉर्मूला बताया हुआ है, वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन, कट सरफेस एरिया, total surface area, area of the base. So you memorize all the formula, then this exercise will be very easy for you. Okay, so tomorrow we will start the next exercise, that is 13.8. Okay, thank you.